Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download MyBlock application on your iPhone. So let's dive into the video without further ado. First of all, open your App Store. To get started, now go to the search box and type in MyBlock and search. Look for this application from HRB Tax Group Inc. and tap on the Get button to download the application on your iPhone. H&R Block or MyBlock is a well-known tax preparation and financial service company. The MyBlock application can be used for many features such as tax calculators, document capture, and tracking of tax refunds. Once the application is downloaded on your device, you can launch it open anytime you want. So that's how you can easily download MyBlock application on your iPhone within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.